Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add hobbies to your Facebook account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Tap on Edit Profile, scroll down till you find this Hobbies section and click on the button Add in the right side of the screen. As you can see, you should choose from the popular hobbies below that are listed here at the suggestions section. So if you want to add any of these, just tap on the relevant box in order to put a check mark icon into it. And you can also search for hobbies if your hobby is not indicated here. So just simply type it in and tap on the relevant ones. If you are done, tap on the button Done in the upper right corner and tap on the button Save down below in order to save these changes. Here, as you can see, there are a suggestion for you based on your hobby, which is a funny memes group, since you have selected the funny memes hobby as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.